Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. Get ready for the Great Indian Thar Desert Quiz. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Question 1. What is another name for the Thar Desert? Sahara Desert, Great Indian Desert, Arabian Desert, Deccan Desert. The correct answer is option B, Great Indian Desert. Question 2. The Thar Desert is mainly located in which Indian state? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana. The correct answer is option B, Rajasthan. Question 3. The Thar Desert acts as a natural boundary between India and which country? Afghanistan, China, Pakistan, Nepal. The correct answer is option C, Pakistan. Question 4. The Thar Desert in India spread across how many states? 2, 3, 4, 5. The correct answer is 4. Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana. Question 5. Which Indian state covered the largest area of the Thar Desert? Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan. The correct answer is option D, Rajasthan. Question 6. What geographical feature forms the southern boundary of the Thar Desert in the state of Gujarat? Aravalli Range, Run of Kutch, Indus River, Chambal River. The correct answer is option B, Run of Kutch. Question 7. Which mountain ranges act as the eastern boundary of the Thar Desert, separating it from the rest of Rajasthan? Vindhya Range, Satpura Range, Aravalli Range, Himalayan Range. The correct answer is option C, Aravalli Range. Question 8. The Thar Desert extends into the southern part of which two Indian states beside Rajasthan and Gujarat? Punjab and Haryana, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Madhya Pradesh, Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. The correct answer is option A, Punjab and Haryana. Question 9. Which of the following is a prominent feature of the Thar Desert? Plateau, alluvial plain, sand dunes, coastal plains. The correct answer is option C, sand dunes. Question 10. What causes the sand dunes in the Thar Desert is frequently shift? Heavy rain, strong winds, human activity, underground rivers. The correct answer is option B, strong winds. Question 11. What is the primary cause of dust storm in the Thar Desert? Heavy mountain rainfall, cyclone in the Arabian Sea, strong hot and dry winds, cold waves from the Himalayas. The correct answer is strong, hot, and dry winds. Question 12. During which month are dust storms most common in the Thar Desert? December and January, May and June, August and September, November and December. The correct answer is option B, May and June. Question 13. Which district of Rajasthan experienced the maximum number of dust storms? Jaisalmer, Barmar, Ganganagar, Bikaner. The correct answer is option C, Ganganagar. Question 14. What is the approximate area of the Thar Desert? 100,000 square kilometer, 200,000 square kilometer, 250,000 square kilometer, 300,000 square kilometer. The correct answer is option B, 200,000 square kilometer. Question 15. What type of climate is found in the Thar Desert? Humid, arid, polar, tropical, monsoon. The correct answer is option B, arid. Question 16. What is the average annual rainfall in the Thar Desert? 50 to 100 millimeter, 100 to 250 millimeter, 250 to 500 millimeter, 500 to 750 millimeter. The correct answer is option B, 100 to 250 millimeter. Question 17. What is mixture of sand and silt is called? Which vegetation type is commonly found in the Thar Desert? Deciduous forest, coniferous forest, thorny scrub and grasses, evergreen forest. The correct answer is option C, thorny scrub and grasses. Question 18. What type of adaptation do plants in the Thar Desert exhibit to survive with little water? Broad leaves, xerophytic adaptation, thin bark, rapid growth. The correct answer is option B, xerophytic adaptation. Question 19. Which of the following plants is commonly found in the Thar Desert and is known for its ability to grow in dry condition? Lotus, cactus, ferns, bamboo. The correct answer is option B, cactus. Question 20. Which of the following is a common drought-resistant tree found in the Thar Desert, often called the king of the desert? Mango tree, khejri, coconut tree, pine tree. The correct answer is option B, khejri. Question 21. Which is the only significant river that flows through the Thar Desert? Chambal, Luni, Banas, Narmada. The correct answer is option B, Luni. Question 22. Which canal is the primary source of irrigation and drinking water in the Indian Thar Desert? Indira Gandhi Canal, Bhakra Canal, Satluj Yamuna Link, Narmada Canal. The correct answer is option A, Indira Gandhi Canal. Question 23. What is the traditional underground rainwater storage system in the Thar desert of Rajasthan called? Boris, tanks, jodas, talai. The correct answer is option B, tanks. Question 24. Which of the following is a major salt water lake found in the Thar desert region? Buller Lake, Sambar Lake, Dal Lake, Chilika Lake. The correct answer is option B, Sambar Lake. Question 25. The Luni River terminates into which area? Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Run of Kutch, Gulf of Khambat. The correct answer is option C, Run of Kutch. Question 26. Where is the country's largest wheat farm in the Thar desert situated? Jaisalmer, Bikaner, Suratgarh, Barmer. The correct answer is option C, Suratgarh. Question 27. What is the most common crop grown in the dry region of the Thar desert? Rice, tea, bajra, sugarcane. The correct answer is bajra. Question 28. Beside crops, what is the most important agriculture activity for farmers in the Thar desert? Poultry farming, aquaculture, animal husbandry, apiculture. The correct answer is animal husbandry. Question 29. Which animal is considered vital for transport and survival in the Thar desert? Horse, camel, donkey, elephant. The correct answer is option B, camel. Question 30. What is the name of the traditional voluminous skirt worn by women in Thar desert? Lehenga, ghagra, sari, plazo. The correct answer is option B, ghagra. Question 31. What is the name of the traditional scarf worn by women in Thar desert to cover the heads? Dupatta, odhni, hijab, ghungat. The correct answer is option B, odhni. Question 32. What is the primary material used for clothing in the Thar desert to stay comfortable in the heat? Wool, polyester, cotton, silk. The correct answer is option C, cotton. Question 33. What is an oasis in the desert? A high sand dune, a dry riverbed, a butter source with vegetation, a rocky mountain. The correct answer is option C, a butter source with vegetation. Question 34. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Horse, donkey, camel, yak. The correct answer is option C, camel. Question 35. Which city is known as the Pink City located in this region? Jodhpur, Udaipur, Jaipur, Bikaner. The correct answer is Jaipur. Question 36. What type of houses are typically built in the desert? Stilt house, houses with thick walls and flat roofs, wooden houses, glass houses. The correct answer is option B, houses with thick walls and flat roofs. Question 37. Which endangered animal is famous for its preservation by the Vishnoi community? Tiger, black buck, lion, snow leopard. The correct answer is option B, black buck. Question 38. What is the local name for the small seasonal ponds used for rainwater harvesting? Step wells, tobas, dams, aqueducts. The correct answer is option B, tobas. Question 39. The Desert Festival, a colorful cultural event, is held annually in Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Pushkar, Bikaner. The correct answer is option B, Jaisalmer. Question 40. Which city is main gateway to the Thar Desert and is known as the Sun City? Jaipur, Jodhpur, Udaipur, Amar. The correct answer is option B, Jodhpur. Question 41. Which of the following festival is celebrated in the Thar Desert region? Diwali, Tej, Holi, Eid. The correct answer is option B, Tej. Question 42. Which of the following tribes is known for its colorful attire and handcraft in the Thar Desert? Santhals, Garhwalis, Rajput, Vishnois. The correct answer is option D, Vishnois. Question 43. Which organization is primarily responsible for the conservation of the Thar Desert? Wildlife Institute of India, Desert National Park Authority, Forest Research Institute, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. The correct answer is option B, Desert National Park Authority. Question 44. Which mineral is primarily mined in the Thar Desert? Iron ore, copper, gypsum, mica. The correct answer is option C, gypsum. Question 45. What type of soil is predominantly found in the Thar Desert? Alluvial soil, black soil, sandy soil, or clay soil? The correct answer is sandy soil. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.